didn't get any of it. Start again.
Extreme whooping.
Don't do that. Makes me nervous.
Stop
If
it.
you don't do that, it makes me nervous.
Hey.
It's boring, Ricky.
Extreme whooping.
You're gonna get in
I'll
trouble.
put that down so I can enjoy my meal.
You're gonna get in trouble, dude. And that's a wrap.